Hi, it's Sophia Soul from the Abundance Circle and welcome to day 10 of my 90-day video challenge. First of all, I'd like to apologise because I actually haven't been able to maintain my commitment to myself to do a video a day and upload it because I've been having a lot of challenges with internet connectivity lately and haven't been able to upload a video. So today we are back on track. Short video, get it uploaded, not a problem. So day 10, I'd like to talk to you about my wealth creation formula. And just the first part today, and that is, what is your purpose? What is your why? If you'd like to be rich, why? Do you know why? Do you know what purpose you have in life? If you really want to succeed in something, whatever it is, whether it's getting wealthy, whether it's in your life, whether it's, health or finances or love or energy, whatever it is, whatever you'd like more abundance of, whatever goal you have, you need to have a purpose. So find out what your purpose is. And when you have a big enough reason why, the how is taken care of. The universe will take care of the how. You don't have to worry about the how, but you need to know why. What is your purpose? I really, really recommend write down the reasons why you want more wealth in your life, and that is wealth in all forms, not just wealth of money, but wealth of love, wealth of energy, wealth of education, wealth of happiness, whatever it is that you'd like in your life. Why? Write it down. Check in tomorrow and I'll have part 2 of my wealth creation formula. Have a fantastic day, and this is Sophia Soul signing out from the Abundance Circle. Bye.